Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. For a full-time Congress president and a team of new office bearers will be held in the August-September next year. The party said Saturday after a meeting of a Congress Working Committee presidential election will be held between the August 21 and September 20 with the block level and PCC level election slotted for April 16, May 21 and July 21, August 20 respectively. Sonia Gandhi, who has been interim president since Rahul Gandhi's resignation in 2019, is expected to continue in that post till the membership drive and internal polls conclude. Sources earlier said that CWC would OPT against short-term polls because many feel the party's focus should be the election in Punjab, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Goa and other states next year, and that the continuing issue of an interim leadership will only hamper effort to the prep for those polls. The overwhelming majority of the CWC therefore want a membership drive and internal grassroots to top election to choose a full term president and not one till December 2022. Sources had said it is important to remember through that Goa, Punjab, UP, Uttarakhand and Manipur are scheduled to vote before the Congress hold its internal election. Organizational polls and on overhaul of party leadership are long-standing demands of internal critical and including the G23 senior leader who first wrote last year asking for sweeping changes. Above all, it required self-control and discipline. I am actually conscious of the fact I have been interim Congress president ever since the CWC asked me to return in this capacity in 2019, she said, pointing that internal election had been scheduled for June this year before the pandemic struck. Today is the occasion for bringing clarity one and for all. A schedule for full-fledged organizational election is before you. General Secretary Organization KK Venugopalji will brief you on the entire process later, Mr. Gandhi said. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. The havoc of the operation has been seen in the Basti district of Uttar Pradesh. Here in a Kemupur village of Kalwari police station area in the land dispute, the oppressors severely beat a poor family and set their house on fire. Police have registered a case against 8 nominees and 20 unidentified persons. The accused are currently out of police custody. Challenge 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with current agreement. Z NEET Motion Durgapur Study Center Motion Tower UCP 22 Bengal Ambuja City Center. Call us 94348 22278/890001 00080. Sensation spared on the morning of Ekadasi when a body was found hanging from a nose in Chittaranjan. The deceased was identified as Vinay Modak, a well-known person of the area. Binay Modak, age 65, was a former employee of Chittaranjan Railway Engine Factory. He was the owner of Saptarshi Lodge in Rupnarayanpur. He also had other transactions including money transaction. His body was recovered from Chittaranjan quarter this morning. However, the way these feet are on the ground. Coaching for Medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 9832824975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. A Barabani block khichdi was distributed to 7 villages on Ekadasi day like every year in Durga Puja of Charanpur railway site number 3 where khichdi was officially distributed. Member of West Bardhaman Jila Parishad.
आर्यन आर्यन भैया बदल दिया थोड़ा
News Movement. News daily at 9 p.m. on every Friday with special features. Present news on YouTube in Hindi, Bengali, Urdu and English. News Movement Hindi. News Movement Bangla, News Movement Urdu, News Movement English. Contact for more details and advertisement 700-196-7279 861-765 9448 9563830285/7430997287 and other alternative number is 9641070758. As the pujo is over, the face of sky weather report: heavy rain are expected on Sunday, Monday and Tuesday in Davadasi and Triyodasi in 7 districts of South Bengal including Kolkata. Heavy rain are expected in Howrah, Hooghly, North and South 24 Pargana. There will also be heavy rain in the east and west Midnapur. Heavy rain is also expected in South 24 Pargana and East Midnapur on Tuesday. Disaster again in continuous rain. Fear of misery, including Calcutta in 12th. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor for trade inquiry. Mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800-258-7060. Petrol and diesel price on Saturday was hiked again by 35 paise a litre to take a retail rate across the country to new records highs. With this hike, petrol is now at 100 a litre mark on more in all state capital, while diesel has touched the 100 level in dozen states. Diesel is nearing rupees 100 a litre mark in Goa and Bengaluru. The price of petrol in Delhi rose to its highest ever level of 105.49 a litre and 111.43 per litre in Mumbai. According to the price notification of state-owned fuel retailers in Mumbai, diesel now comes for 102.15 litre, while in Delhi it cost rupees 94.22. This is the third straight day of 35 paise per litre hike in petrol and diesel prices. There was no change in rate October 12 and 13 since the ending of 3-week long hiatus in rate revision in the last week of September. This is 15th increase in the petrol price and 18th time that diesel rate have gone up. While petrol price is most of the countries already have rupees 100 a litre mark, diesel rate have crossed the level of a dozen state UT including Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Kerala, Karnataka and Ladakh. In Panji, diesel now costs rupees 99.56 a litre, while in Bengaluru it comes rupees 99 rupees 97 paise and per litre. Sivasa for 99 rupees 86 paise. Price differ from state to state depending on the independence of local tax. Seeding of the modest price change policy. State-owned fuel retailers have since October 6 started passing on the larger incidence of cost of consumer. Giving a breakup of fuel price, Mr. P. Chidambaram explained that if a consumer pays rupees 102 per litre for petrol, then rupees 42 goes to the oil companies OMC, which include processing of crude oil into fuel. Rupees 33 goes to the central government as tax, rupees 24 goes to the state government and rupees 4 to the dealers. Rupees 33 out of 102 is almost 33%. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. A 9-day program was concluded by Gujarati Samaj Barakar in Dandiya and Garba last night. On this occasion, local women, young men and women of society presented the best program of Dandiya. On this occasion, Shiv Kumar Agarwal, President of Barakar Chamber of Commerce, said that Gujarati society should make art of the society not only in India but in the whole world. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Puja, the dismantling of idol of Durga Ma was completed peacefully with the jubilation at Barakar Hattala public Durga Puja, Mukherjee Durga Puja, Lakhiya Bandh, and the people said goodbye with the blessing of mother while the women greeted each other and wear vermilion on behalf of the other and Akhada committee to the social and distinguished people.
अरे भले भले दुर्गा माँ के जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285. India Garba festival was celebrated in Sri Ram Mandir Yadra for the fourth year following the rules of Corona, in which the enthusiasm and happiness of women was being created by watching, organizing secretly Prem Sarma along with Treasure Palak Gauri. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285. Idol of Ravana is cremated all over the country of festival of Dasera as a victory of God over evil. But in Sanyukt Kisan Morcha member protesting against the agriculture bill across the country today burnt the effigy of Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah in the place of Ravana in Asansol. During this burning of the effigy held at Baranpur Gurdwara, the member of Sanyukt Kisan Morcha protested against the agriculture bill by burning the effigy of PM Modi and Amit Shah. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285. Lakshmi Puja is the biggest festival of Bengalis for 4 days, but the shadow of sorrow descends on the face of that Bengali on the day of Vijayadashmi on this day. It is the turn of abounding Mother Durga, and therefore the dawn of sorrow rise in the minds of Bengalis. The 2021 Durga Puja has been completed in compliance with government guidelines and COVID rules, and as usual on the day of Vijayadashmi, Mother Durga, keeping in mind and situation of abatement of COVID.
বলবো বলতে আমরা ছয়ারপল্লী দুর্গা পুজো কমিটি আমরা প্রতি বছরই একাদশীর সময় দিই। এই বছর আমরা সেই একাদশী দিনই আমরা দশমীর দিন ভাসান দিন, একাদশীর দিন তাও দিনের বেলাতে দিই। এই গতকাল সব পুজো কমিটি দিয়েছে, তো কোভিড পরিস্থিতিতে আমরা তো 2 দিনে পাঠ করে দিয়ে দিয়েছি, একসাথে ভিড় হবে না, করবো না, তার জন্য আছে। আর অশান্তি প্রশান্তির জন্য আমরা সিদ্ধান্ত নিই আমরা একাদশীর দিনই পুজো।
মূলত কাল থেকে বিসর্জন চালু হয়েছে, দুধাপে বিসর্জন কালকে হচ্ছে, আজকে আপনাদের
আজকে আমাদের ছয়ারপল্লী পুজো কমিটি।
কি নাম আপনার?
বাপ্পা করি।
এটা কোন ঘাটে আপনারা বিসর্জন করছেন?
এটা কন্যাশ্রী পার্কে 1 নম্বর ঘাট।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Accept yourself for who you are, celebrate your achievement and make sure you prioritize your peace in this process of acceptance and celebration. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.